Today we have a twin unboxing for our showcase bass project. If you've been keeping up with the video, you know we finally finished the build of the bass. We actually got everything completed and installed. We still have to set the bass up. That's coming in a next couple of days in a video. Today we have some of the accessories that are part of the project. We have 2 boxes here from Revo Guitar Straps. Revo was one of the companies that when we reached out to them about taking part in the project, Brian from Revo Straps immediately replied, yeah man, we want to be a part of this. So we thank them a lot for that. We were trying to decide what would work best with the bass as far as their different straps they have. And what I wound up doing is I sent Brian some pictures of the bass and just said, go from there. So let's see what he sent us. We'll go with the small one first. Ooh. Wow. That is nice. Look at that wood. This one is their bullet model, made of cocobolo wood. The bullet model is actually one of their limited edition models. I don't think they have it listed on their website currently. This is one of those models they only make a few of per year, so I mean, I feel special, man. I appreciate it, Brian. We're honored to have that limited edition Coca-Cola strap for the project. And let's see what this other one is here. Hey Rob, I couldn't decide, so I sent 2 straps. Looking forward to the project. Brian, I appreciate it, man. Oh, and this is nice. This is one of their Gordo straps, and this is a black tiger wood. And the leather end. And of note, I did get an email from Brian. He accidentally left out the other strap end, but not a problem. He's getting that sent over to us. This one actually is more suited for a bass because it tapers to a full 3 inches wide. And the whole concept, people look at wood a lot of times and they think, man, that's a hard material. And these are very hard woods. The cocobolo of the bullet strap, this tiger wood, it's hard woods. But the way these straps are made and designed, the flexibility of this thing it's kind of like the concept of a beaded seat cover. If you've ever sat on a wooden bead seat cover in a car and you realize how comfortable that is. That's the same concept with these. It distributes the weight really well. One of the things that I've had, I've got a bad back. I've got some bone spurs on my spine. I have a couple of basses that I don't even play them unless I'm sitting down anymore, because of the weight, and I just can't take the standing and holding a bass. I've been playing smaller, short scale, really lightweight basses if I have to stand up and play. But this, I'm excited to try this, not just with the showcase bass, but with some of my heavier basses that I have, just to see how much of a difference this thing makes. Because I've got an alder body bass it's a beast. That thing is almost 13 and a half, close to 14 pounds. So, like I said, I'm excited to try these out. Revo Straps, down in the description of the video, you'll find the link to their website as well as their Facebook page. Be sure to go check them out. Let them know that Panick Inc. sent you. Tell them thanks from us for being part of this project. Even down to these wooden cases these things come in. That's attention to detail, man. That's the mark of a good quality product from a company. Be sure to check them out. They are definitely a Panick Inc. preferred accessory vendor with these great straps. Go to their Facebook page, go to their website, go to our website and Facebook page. The link's down in the description. Go over to our swag shop. Pick yourself up some Panick Inc. merchandise. That helps us out tremendously. Not everybody can buy a bass from us, but most everybody could buy a sticker or a t-shirt or something like that from us. So go check it out. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for keeping up with the Showcase Bass project, and we'll see you guys on the next one.